Hello you guys and welcome to my channel again. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? So yeah, today's video will going to be a eye makeup tutorial video, and this is going to be a cut crease, a full cut crease look. I will try my level best to make it look nice though. Anyway, so let's get into the video. I have already done my base makeup like foundation, concealer, blush, highlight, and eyebrows as well. I don't know what belongs with my eyebrows though, but I don't know. I've not done my eyebrows like since long, so that's okay. Actually, I had posted a photo long time back, like a few weeks ago, on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page. So I asked you guys if you guys want tutorial on that look. So many of you have responded yes. That's why I'm here today, and I'm going to do that look again because I did not really shoot a video for that look. Yeah, let's get started. What are the things needed to have a full cut crease look? See, you need a eye base, but if you don't have eye base, even I don't have eye base actually. So I have got a concealer, and concealer चाहिन्छ. त्यसपछि चाहिँ you need brushes, like fluffy brush चाहिन्छ eyeshadow blend गर्नलाई, like this, and एउटा चाहिँ यस्तो खालको angle brush पनि चाहिन्छ है, like to cut the crease. खासमा चाहिँ you need that like sharp खालके eyeliner brush, but since I don't have that eyeliner brush with me right now, that's why I'm gonna use this as my eyeliner brush today. And you're gonna need this kind of brush as well, you चाहिँ blend गर्नलाई crease part मा. And you're gonna need pencil brush. The pencil brush चाहिँ मेरोमा छैन अहिले, त्यही भएर चाहिँ म युज गर्दैछु यो आज यस्तो खालको brush, अलिकति precise भएको. So सुरु गरौँ है त. First we're gonna start with concealer. Concealer को लागि चाहिँ म Maybelline को concealer use गर्दैछु आज. आँखाको यो पार्टमा लगाउँदैछु है, like यो पार्टमा especially. आई मेकअप गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you should have a good base है. मैले धेरैचोटि भनिसकेको छु त्यो पनि कि आई मेकअप गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you should have a really good base. If you are doing a little dramatic like cut crease lookहरू, hollow eyes lookहरू गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ you should have a really good base. I'm just gonna blend this. Concealer लगाइसकेपछि चाहिँ you need to set the concealer. So concealer set गर्न लागि चाहिँ I'm using setting powder today. This is from LA Girl Pro. थोरै यसै पाउडर लिएर चाहिँ आँखामा सेट गर्ने यसरी है. कन्सिलर सेट गर्नु भयो भने चाहिँ तपाईहरुले जब आईस्याडो लगाउनुहुन्छ त्यतिबेला चाहिँ आईस्याडो लाइक ब्लेन्ड मजाले हुन्छ, स्मुथ भएर जान्छ बिकज आईस्याडो पनि पाउडर फर्मेटमा हुन्छ नि त. कन्सिलर मेरो सेट भइसकेको छ है. अब चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिन्छ आईस्याडो. यु गाइस, आईस्याडोको लागि चाहिँ आइ एम युजिङ दिस मार्भेलस म्याट, Revolution को Marvelous Mattes. If you are buying this, then यसको चाहिँ सबै कलर पिगमेन्टेड छैन. यसको चाहिँ कतिवटा कलर पिगमेन्टेड छ, कतिवटा चाहिँ अलिकति चकी टाइपको छ. यो पार्ट देखि चाहिँ हजुरहरूले अगाडि यसरी ल्याउँदै पछाडी लाँदै अगाडि ल्याउँदै यसो गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ तपाईँको आईस्याडो मजाले ब्लेन्ड हुन्छ है. यो शेड लगाए अहिले चाहिँ. So after this I'll be using अर्को palette को eyeshadow. If I have to choose between this eyeshadow palette and this eyeshadow palette, this is the best and really affordable and really pigmented eyeshadow I've ever got. Your Wet n Wild को Rose in the Air palette. This is really good eyeshadow palette, and as far as your Revolution eyeshadow palette, it's a little bit pricey, and at the same time यो भन्दा चाहिँ a little bit pricey, and at the same time it's pigmented छैन. Compared to this one, this is neutral, and this has got pretty colors and really handy. And if you are beginner in makeup, get this one. You won't regret buying it, you guys. So yeah, explanation mode. Explanation mode. Right. I want more darker than this color, so for that I'll be using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is the shade that I'm going to use because यो चाहिँ अलिकति डार्क शेड छ यो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ यो आउटर कर्नर छ यहाँ चाहिँ म अर्को शेड युज गर्न गइरहेछु है I'm going to use this brush and this one डार्क शेडले चाहिँ म क्रिज पार्टमा लगाउँछु यो क्रिज पार्टमा लगाउनु पर्छ है त्यसो गर्दै तपाईले विङ खालके बनाउनु भयो भने अझै इट्स मोर इजियर के एन्ड अगेन म त्यही ब्रश लिएर फेरि फर्स्टको ब्रश लिएर फेरि म सबै ब्लेन्ड गरिदिन्छु एकपल्ट है म लोवर लिडमा पनि लगाउँछु बिकज लोवर लिडमा पनि इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेन्ट है एन्ड यसरी जोइन गरिदिन्छु हल्का यसरी बिस्तारैसित है And now we are going to cut the crease flat brush especially if you do not have this kind of brush you can use eyeliner brush concealer लाई यो brush मा लिने यसरी है स्पेशली यो पछाडीको पार्टलाई चाहिँ अलिकति विङ खालके बनाउने है बिकज इट लुक्स रियली नाइस यस्तो गर्यो भने चाहिँ सो आई हेभ कट द फुल क्रिज है यस्तो खालके सानो खालके ब्रस लिएर हजुरलाई इफ अलिकति डार्क शेड गर्नु मन छ भने चाहिँ यो डार्क शेड फेरि लिएर यो पार्टमा फेरि हल्का यसरी गरिदिने ब्लेन्ड पाउडर लिने यसरी हल्का यसरी ट्याप गरिदिने so it looks like this now है then after that what you have to do is of course you need to wear eyeliner a good eyeliner I'm using this Maybelline New York the colossal liner and it's a sketch liner and it's very easier to wear it है and after this you're gonna use एउटा काजल जुनै पनि so I'm using यो लोटस को काजल so I will be back after doing this part it looks like this guys okay this is the full cut crease look I have created today and I'm going to use my new eyelash curler this is from Miniso I recently bought it but I haven't used it so you're gonna curl your lashes and eyelash curl गरिसकेपछि you have to add some mascara Fox Mink eyelashes use गर्न गइरहेछु and I got it from Amazon this is so affordable you guys you can get it and eyelash glue पनि पाउँदो रहेछ so I'll be using this first one and I'll come back. Guys, I have put my eyelashes as well and finally we're gonna do a little bit touch up. I'll be using this Victoria's Secret gloss. This is orange flavor ma. I really love orange you guys. This is my final look. I hope you like my eye makeup today. तपाईहरुले आफ्नो like bridal makeup मा use गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ and if you are going for any reception party. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you always get notified. Right? Bye.